Let's do one and just the toes and then point and the full foot and point and follow and point and close and brush and toes. Whole foot. Fondue, watch this side. And boom, 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 boom. 3 fondues. Elevate. And we'll do it on the left side and then we'll right our normal and then we'll do our balance. Okay. So tendu, toes, point, flex, fondue, point, close. Yep. And good. Nice and open in your frame. Don't initiate that fondue with your upper body. Sorry. There, yeah. Watch this position. Yeah, don't sit. Ah, there you go. Toes back. Up here. Yes, sir. Good. 3 fondues. Watch your stand leg. Ease into it. Ease. There. Better. Long. Elevate. Good. Come on. Now that's sort of a little bit better in the posture. Front fondue bends as well. Good, 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 good. More level here. Nice. Don't lean to your right. Nice and tall on that side. Good. Where's your weight on your foot? Yeah, make sure you're on the ball. Good job. And so. Good. Let's stay here. Yeah, there, you feel it? That's about a centimeter, yeah. Super important centimeter. Good. Open up second. And nice finish. Good. It started a little folded here, and then as the combination went on, then they kind of woke up, yeah. Just on the right side, you tend to tendu out here to the front. You don't do it to the back, which is where usually we have the challenge. You're doing it to the front. And that cross, right, that opening up is like the essence of everything we do, right? If you have a good plie and a good tendu, you'd be a very good dancer. Yeah, so yeah, be careful that when we go out here, we don't actually activate all this as much as we could, right? Excellent. And 1, 2, 3, pas de bras 4. Back like boom, 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 pas de bras under. First, fifth, sous, plié, relevé, plié. And boom, boom, fondu, pas de bras. Boom, boom, fondu, pas de bras. First with the head, boom, boom, sous, and up, susu. Be careful with the susu. I don't want you to separate from the ground, right? So make sure you don't have that. That's old school, and yes, it used to be taught that way, and some people still do. I hate when you disconnect from the floor when you're trying to have a balance. Yeah. So with the susus on flat, you can either pull the front leg over, you can pull the back leg over, or you can pull both. And I am fine with any of those as long as they don't separate from the ground. And I'd like you to use one.
I think I'm supposed to.
So what is RAD saying?
Pull both.
Okay, all right. Well, then let's work on that then.
Also, like a pirouette.
Yeah.
Also, are supposed to like pull it in an RAD.
Which?
Like a passe balance.
Yeah, that's different than my philosophy. I don't like separating right from the ground. So for me, like the susu 100%, let's do the susu cross. For me, let's work on that straight down, right, kind of thing and get there. And then you'll have both in your repertoire and it'll be easier for you, yeah. So 2 front, pas de bras under, 2 back, pas de bras over, first fist, susu, passe. Yep. And 1, 2, and 1, pas. Good. Nice and long. Keep the elbow up. Yep. And fondu, pas de bras. And head in. Good. Very nice. Just a little up here. And watch also how you come down. Yeah. Keep the connection on your way down as well. So, bum, bum, bum. Good. And Susu. And placé, susu détourné. And don't sit in your lower back, yeah? Keep really strong up here. There you go. Make sure your shoulders are over your hips. And frame's better on this side. And watch your back leg on the fist when you plie. It's rolling in on you a little bit. No. Good. Make sure you cross it when you get it back there, though. This is nice. And there you go. That's better. That's not sitting in your lower back. And rest. Good, 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 good. So you have a kind of tendency to sit here. It's a lot better than what it was. I'm just going to keep gently reminding you, okay? Sometimes when you go, it goes and then it comes back. But that initial go, that's when in center we need it, right? Because that's that initial push into the pyramid. Yeah, so you sit here. Yeah, just a little bit, right? It's not, I'm exaggerating so you can see it.
Yeah.
But it goes up and then you pull it back, right? Also be really careful of this. Of this coming here. Keep that nice and open, keep that rolled up. On the left side, it's also getting a little high. We just don't want it over the shoulders, right? We want to be able to see you. When you go to the back sometimes, you go, right? And there can be an apalma there, but what you don't want is to get it in here, right? So it doesn't have a roll to it, yeah? So it can have a little head and then into the reach and then palmar under, right? Yeah. So you can have here and then reach out here 100%. Yeah, that's beautiful. What I don't want is the shoulders to come and compress. Be careful of your derriere. Sometimes they're not totally crossed. I'd like to do it again. We'll speed it up a little bit. Let's keep it in tendus. Try to connect each little individual section a little bit better. I kind of feel like it's and right. Let's try not to have those little partitions. 7. And good, easy. 1. And nice, Nolan. And there you go. You didn't sit. Very nice. Swoop on, heel up. And blow out, watch it. And yeah. Good. Much better this side. The other side. And watch that air best. They got to cross it here, Devon. There you go. Good job. Nice. Better frame this time. And good. One more set. I love the friction in the floor, Nolan. Very nice. And rest. Okay. Before I do anything, turn around, please. Put your foot in the back. Do me a favor and do your releve to retire and push your foot off the ground right away. And push. Yes, thank you. Yep. You lifted it last time, so so you know the difference. That was much better. It was much more together. It was a little stiff in places because you were thinking about what I was giving you, and that is perfectly fine. Yeah. I thought the frame was better. I thought the fists were nicer. When you do that and have that, then it makes everything else stay more open, and you didn't sit. Okay. You know? So very nice. And more. And good. Shot. And nice. Where are you spotting? And and good. And 1. That's right. Let's restart. That's fine.
Yeah.
Right. I want just to come down a little bit because it gets like this a little bit, and then yeah. When you're coming in from your dégagé, don't slam your heel. Place your upper inner thigh, right? So even fast, yeah, you don't want to get that gong, gong, gong on your heels. Yeah. Yeah, I'm giving you the one on purpose because I know that it's not our normal pattern. Yeah. Try to adapt right in the moment. When you're going to pirouette, so you and Nora do a very similar thing. You pop the hand and then one thumb comes up. Right, so it's like a flop, and then you hitchhike, yeah, and yeah. So you want to get them open, right? They can open here in the allongé. It's like, oh, what you don't want is to flip them or bring them behind you. That was better. Yes, sir. Look at that, and then that got you in a nice frame. Yeah, good. Because when you do that, also usually something happens. There, yeah. You don't want to whack. There, that was better. Yeah, you don't want to slap somebody. All right, let's try this again. Let's go ahead and just do one side front left and then right left and then go to the other side, or front and back and go to the other side. Here we go. Zoom up and that's right. Get to the retro right away. Don't look at the bar because it's going to be there. Ba and one. Don't lose the taille. Whoop, now we're making stuff up. Go ahead and do the inside turn. On the side, inside turn. Well, I mean, technically you got all the steps in. There's just a different order. Did you feel where everything went when you got a little like, where am I going?
Yeah.
It got so small, man. Yeah. Be open, be open. This is our safe spot, right? Keeping our abdominal wall together, but being really long. That's where we have the most control and ability to change expression in the moment. And the more we go down here and squeeze, the less we have that ability. So part of the training is to retrain yourself into this is not safe, this is safe, right? So your default becomes the open and light as opposed to the other way around. Does that make sense? Yeah. Do you feel that little hop at the end?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're coming around lovely. What's happening is you're coming around, the bottom leg stops rotating just a little bit. So you have to do that little reset. A lot of times when the hops happen, you see it? Yeah. So it starts going, and then it comes here, and then to get down.
Yeah.
Right, I have to reset. So that's where that, when like in center too, when I'm watching people, I see those little hops almost all the times because that staying leg doesn't stay rotated. You've got to keep it going. Yeah, you do it better to the outside than the inside. That was better. Yeah, that was closer. You stopped here because you looked there. Just check it out. See me twice. Boom. There. Without the slappy hand. That was good though. That was much better. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, rotate 5, plie 6, power break 7, plie 4, releve attitude, plie, power break 5, releve attitude, plie allongé, power break détourné. Yeah, so développé forward 4, and then switch to the second plie, power break under, releve, first arabesque, power break, releve, allongé, power break détourné. Yeah, so can you go to devant, please, for a second? Good, very nice. So when you go, keep this down and push this forward. Yeah, you see how it wants to roll on you? And keep that. Yeah. That's going to be the hard one, right? So here, this has to, don't lean back. No, almost. Yeah, that was better. That's good. And 1. Wait forward, push out the leg. And arm up. And good. 4th. And roll. Good. Keep that same leg nice and turned out. And open. Nice. Good, Nolan. And bottom leg straight. There you go. And don't lean. Plie. Watch your standing leg as you plie. And push. Easy. Keep on top of your front leg. Good. And don't lean in the bar. That was better. All right. right, all right. Good. So just as you're getting, this starts nice, and as you go out, it tucks. Just a little bit. You got to keep that rotation of the standing leg and this sensation, and then you get more room so you can go into the, yeah. It already goes higher, just, yeah. So this, like going, whop, that's going to give you space in your hip flexor. You don't do it as much to this side. You do it more on the right side. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you did a little bit on both, but you did it more on the right. So just be aware. Be careful of the hip.
Yeah.
It's got to come with you.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Each time that I'm like in the middle of like growing, I start like gripping in my quad to the side, and then it like just stops for a while.
Yeah.
Until I'm growing again.
Yeah.
And then it.
So, growing pains are a real thing.
So I'm ripping it though.
Because it's changing the relation of where it is in your body. So think about it, right? If you're this size and you do something, and so everything's in its place, and now all of a sudden you're this size.
Yeah.
Well, these places are not right anymore. So your body has to reorient, right, of where things are. That's okay, man. That's part of the deal. And yeah, I realized this year I'm looking at you straight in the eyes now. So keeping that, and then taking this side and rotating it forward. Yep. Yeah. You feel it? That's where we want to get to, okay? Yeah, so the elongations are gorgeous. It's such a nice line. You're turning out. Everything's nice. When you go first, you do that thing with your front leg. The heel goes back. Oh. So as you go up, keep this rotated. Boom, as you see it, and then you can cut right under for the power. You're only doing it on the first airbus. Yeah, so this one, yep. Easy, now rotate. There, yes, sir. Yep. One move center. Push through, come on. Hip. Rotate stand leg, rotate your stand leg. There you go. Push it forward. Yeah, good, very nice. And don't pitch your back. Lovely. And one. Don't lean back. There, yes, there, that correction. Keep it, don't lose it. And push. So, yeah, you're a little turned in on the plie there. And I like the correction, Nolan. Very nice, I saw that. And brush the foot. Yeah, good. I wish I'd had your allongé back in the day. You have a lovely, beautiful long line, right? It's still that point where it shows up at some times and it doesn't show up at other times. So that's our job, but it's in there. It's very nice. Okay.